Effect Lab is an AI-powered quantitative platform that helps insights and marketing teams in online consumer research. It delivers actionable and unbiased consumer insights with capabilities like surveys, AI-driven behavioral tests, online panels, and benchmarks. In this video, let us learn how to run a research campaign, collect feedback, and generate insights within 1 to 2 weeks using Effect Lab. You can set up and run a research campaign on Effect Lab within minutes, thanks to preloaded question templates, AI technologies, and online panels. Before you input your survey questions and select your online audience, upload the stimulus you are testing. The stimulus could be a concept, a market-ready ad, a package design, or the URL of your online store. You can test anything you'd like if your stimulus is an image, video, or URL. Once the stimulus is uploaded, you can choose to spread out your survey questions in 3 parts. As screening questions to exclude the respondents that don't fit into your criteria. As pre-survey questions that appear before the stimulus is shown to the respondents. As post-survey questions that appear once the stimulus is exposed and behavioral data is captured. To add your own questions, you can choose from 20+ question types and include elements like recalibration and branching logic for higher accuracy. The platform automatically calibrates and captures facial expressions and eye gaze movements when the stimulus is exposed after pre-survey and before post-survey. You can find your sample audience from the platform's 60 million+ online panel. All you have to do is input your demographic preferences. Alternatively, you can invite your own panel to the platform using survey links or tester IDs. Once you input your stimulus, survey questions, task instructions, and online panel, you can click Launch and start collecting feedback immediately. Your sample audience will be asked for consent to allow their laptop or smartphone camera to capture their facial expressions and eye gaze movements. Once they pass the screening and calibration tests, they can observe the stimuli and answer your survey questions from the place of their convenience. It is that easy for you to collect unbiased feedback from your panelists without meeting them in person. Analytics flow into the platform as and when the tests are completed, allowing you to start your analysis within a day of the campaign launch. You can categorize the campaign results as per your test groups, completion actions, and tester groups by applying the available filters on top of the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a summary at the very top, clearly indicating whether the stimulus tested will work or needs improvement. The platform diagnoses this using the proprietary Effect Lab score, that's compared against the industry benchmark score. The dashboard includes all the facial coding metrics you'd need to understand the overall emotional reaction of the testers and the extent to which they were engaged or distracted while watching the stimulus. The dashboard includes all the eye tracking metrics you'd need to identify the elements that your testers noticed and the extent to which they paid attention and engaged with the stimulus. You can single out specific stimulus elements as areas of interest to analyze them further and get all the facial coding and eye tracking metrics for each element. The dashboard also comes with a performance matrix that combines facial coding and eye tracking metrics to clearly indicate the levels of emotion and attention each stimulus generates. The dashboard also provides second-by-second attention, engagement, and emotion metrics to track second-by-second reactions toward stimuli like video. The dashboard simplifies the collection and summary of survey results with easy-to-understand charts and graphs. All the results shown on the dashboard can be easily downloaded and furnished with additional notes. Lastly, the dashboard also summarizes the tester information and test completes for you to understand the effectiveness of your quant study. There you have it, actionable insights within days on a customizable dashboard for the stimulus of your choice, with advanced facial coding and eye tracking metrics. It is that easy to go beyond traditional consumer research with Effect Lab. Talk to us for more details. Go beyond with Entropik Tech.